Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back again with another video for you guys. Today's video, got a box full of free tools, so let's see what I got. If you guys want to support the channel, click down in the comment section below or my link to my merch site where you can get hat like this, shirt like this, and also many other stuff. We have mugs, stickers, all that stuff. So go ahead and check it out. So here's a quick overview of everything that I got. So first things first, these real old hand drills. There are some bits on the inside of the handle. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Nope. Just put the tripod back up real quick. Yep, quite a few bits in there. You can't see it. This. We also got this one right here, which is very similar to this one that I have right here. Assuming these are we're splitting logs or cutting down trees, one of the two. Some miscellaneous drill bits, some auger bits, deburring bits that are still in the wax, small chuck key, a small chuck for a impact driver. So this could go right in here, just like that. Got this rigid impact driver. Still works too, just need to get a battery charger for that. Got some sockets. Let's see. Well, it says it's made in USA. Doesn't actually have a brand, but anything made in the USA, I'm happy with. I got a C-clamp. Flathead screwdriver. Just various bits. And we have a Craftsman multimeter, which I was told all it needs is batteries, and then it is good to go. I also got this tool tray. First things first, I will put the tool tray in the toolbox. But yeah, that's got all this for free, so very happy about that. So just check your guys' local Facebook, see if there's a free items group that you can join, and you guys can find stuff like this, and same with stuff from the other video that I just made. So thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.